So guys, I would say tonight I got on the counter. I wouldn't say today. It's a Sundown SAX 125.4. So it's a 4-channel amplifier, guys, as you can see. That's what that 0.4 stands for. Right, so let me give you a better look. This is the front view of it. Seems like they did have some tape over it somehow. They should tape it down somehow, I don't know why. And then this is a view of a terminal, speaker terminal, port terminal. And this is a good view of it right here. Yes guys, this is a good view of it, straight up good view of it, this amplifier. Alright, so yes guys. And this come with a problem, guys, not that big of an issue, but maybe it's turned out something big because this one has only 3 channels working, one is not working. So number 1 channel is not working. Could be input problem, and could not, maybe not, but I don't know. But I think I'm gonna have to take it apart, maybe not until I do some some testing from up top before I go around to the other side. And I'm really curious what output transistor this amplifier uses. Let me check and see. Not so worried about the power supply, I just want to see just in case I have to change one. And this is the IRF 530N. Whoa, IRF 530N, that's crazy. Can you imagine? Wow, that's really common MOSFET. I started to stop using these, but I see Taramp use it. I think they use not Taramp, Stetson or Taramp, yeah. I see Taramp uses the 540, I think, or 530. I think it's in 530. Yeah, they're really powerful, but MOSFETs. So I have 530 for the MOSFET there. Power supply MOSFET, guys, may be the same, 3205. Not sure, but what I'm curious about is to find what make that 1 channel not working. It could have been one of these, could be one of these MOSFET driver. Yeah, sometimes it could be one. There's a little way of finding out sometimes, guys. Is like pour the amplifier on, put your hand on it, like, and see which one is running at a temperature. Yeah, sometimes that does work, but not all the time. I'm just telling a little trick that I use sometimes to diagnose them. Yeah, when you put your hand on there, right here, you have the MOSFET drivers, and you do that, and you see which one I use. You have the gun, you could see which one running at a temperature, and then you could know that one is, malfunctioning or, busted or whatever you want to call it, burnt out, shorting out somehow. Yeah, but yeah, that's a little way of doing it, guys. But for now, I'm going to do some tests up top first, as I told you guys, and then I go on from there. So definitely, let's give you a little preview of this. So yeah, I see you guys in a minute.